Physical characteristics and habitat. The ruak bird has a relatively small body size, with a height of around 20 centimeters and a length of 15 centimeters. Its body is slender with a fairly long beak and legs. The fur color is predominantly grayish-brown. Its habitat is in wet areas such as farms and bushes. There are many more videos about hunting ruak birds. Please check on the homepage. Moss Pippin, if you are entertained, would you like to follow, like, comment and share so that I will be more enthusiastic about creating more interesting content. Thank you very much.